Hi guys, what's up? And today we're starting a new video of Shark Tubers. Today we're here in the mountain. I don't know what it's called. I think it's Pioneer Peak. And we're here. We're about to take pictures with my dad and Christian's dad. And yeah. So what do you think, Christian?
Yeah, this is gonna be a good vlog, and I hope you put it up on your channel.
I will. Well, I could have just went around. Okay, let's start walking. Woo! Whoa! Look at that. There's a whole bunch of mountains. That's crazy. Okay, so we woke up at 6 in the morning, and you could still see that little. Well, what time was it?
6, but we you guys got here at 6:30.
There's a white dot right there, and you could still see. And then the sun is all the way there, but the trees are blocking it. Let's go. Pro. Let's do it. Let's get it. Let's do it. Alright guys, the drone is recording me right now. Recording me and you right now. Crazy.
We're back at the parking lot. It was a great day. Now we're gonna head back home.
See you next time.